Oh, hey YouTube, it's your girl Alana. I will have something over my face the entire video, guys, because I look like trash, guys. I had some dental work done and my face is like swollen and it's just not cute. So we're not going to do that. We're not going to share that face. So anyway, I went to the store. Mine's going to start off with green and then like yellow, reddish, orangish type color ombre. Yeah, so that's how I'm braiding mine up. I'm gonna do pretty small braids because I really wanted box braids, but I just couldn't get up with anybody to like get the parts done. Because I definitely couldn't afford for anybody to braid my entire head because, like, bruh, this dental work is very expensive. Very, very, very expensive. So, yeah. I just wanted somebody to, like, part it off, but, you know, everybody got stuff going on. Everybody got stuff to do. Hair grease. I'm just doing too many braids to expect the parts to be right, and I'm just not I'm not a pro guy here. So I'm putting a lot of jam right here. Don't really know if this is too much, but we're gonna see when I try to braid it. Oh yeah, guys, I meant to tell you guys that I have 420 subscribers. 420, guys. I know people get all excited about like a million, a quadrillion, all these numbers that they be having. But 420, guys, and I mean it stayed on 420 for a long time. I've been on 420 for a minute now, guys. So in honor of 420, I want to show you guys some footage that I recorded while I was in Vegas. And because, you know, when we went into the weed shop. Me having 420 subscribers, we're definitely going to just show you I'm going to show you the footage that I got while we were in there. Not buying anything except for like some pineapples, some dried pineapples, because they were like, you can get arrested for smoking on the streets, you can get arrested for smoking in the hotels. You pretty much have to be a resident from what I was understanding, like, because at least then you could smoke in your home or you could smoke on your own porch. It just kind of took the thrill away from it being legal in Vegas, the fact that you can't just smoke it anywhere.
We capped it at 100 milligrams for recreation.
100% off for you. Okay, that'll help you with the taxes there. Saves you $110.
Oh, and Rice Krispie
Yeah,
treats.
Yeah, those are the Rice Krispies. Cake bites, brownie, 10 in each, yeah. You get the whole thing and it's pre-cut, so you just take a piece.
Oh, and the dry fruit.
10 also, yeah.
10 in each.
The brownies are the only ones that are different because you only get 2, but each brownie is 50 milligrams.
Because they're so tiny.
Yeah.
Look at this. How cool. An ATM inside of a weed shop. This is the season. Oh, okay. That's why I don't want to bake there. So I'm just going to grip it right here and go around my hair with the weave. and just keep braiding. Then take the weave from this one, separate it, add it to my real hair, and keep braiding. And that's how I do it. It's definitely jam built up in my hair. So obviously I'm not finished, but this is what one pack of hair gets. You can get this many braids from one pack. Got a little bit of the back done. And I only have 4 packs, so that means I'm gonna need more hair. I'm still trying to hide the lower part of my face. Cause I still got that Kanye West going on. Like, I'm telling you, like, it's terrible. Like, I got the tooth pulled, and not only was it ridiculously expensive to where I have to do my own hair, but the hydrocodone is ridiculous too. Oh, wait, what was I saying? Not only was it ridiculously expensive, but I have a lisp. My face is still swollen. I look like Kanye. Like, yeah. 5 packs so far. No. I'm in pack 6. This is pack 6 right here. This is all I have left of it. And in the back, the parts are not like that. Well, they're not straight at all because I just use my finger. And they are really, really crooked. I don't know. I'm not pressed about the parts because this is not even the plan. Like, the plan was to have the big parts. Have somebody else do it. But sis, after that tooth problem, I'm like, shoot, that hit my pockets. It really hit my pockets. Had my whole attitude to the left, but it could have been worse, right? Yeah, so just braiding. Whew. Oh, I have a girlfriend, and she really can braid fast, but she's in California. I'm hungry again, but it's like I can't really eat good because of this tooth thing, or lack of a tooth. Bad texture. It's an easy braid. Or I might dip it in hot water, but that's not what I wanted to do. I really want it braided all the way down to the end, but I don't want to put in that much time because I still have to do my daughter's hair. And I think I'm going to record myself doing my daughter's hair when I do it because, like I said, I got her the purple hair. Yeah, I got my daughter this purple hair. Purple, blue, yellow, orangish, reddish. So I have to record that because I think it'll be so pretty on top of her locks. Yeah, I'm not using a comb to part before I braid. I'm just using my finger and grabbing some hair. Ouch, it's really nappy. Ouch. I didn't blow dry it. When I washed it, I just washed it and let it air dry and let it mat itself together. And I'm just like, you know, trying to comb it as I go, and it's very painful because it's super nappy. That's okay. Oh. Oh. I hear you. I hear you popping, sis. I hear you. Okay. So I'm putting a whole bunch of blue magic on there. And a lot of my hair just falls out. I don't know. And a whole bunch of jam. And jam at the ends too, where it's nappy nappy. Because if I don't put jam at the ends, it won't blend in where it's really nappy. And if you look closely, I don't know what is going on with these braids. Like, I just be doing a whole bunch of stuff. I've been watching YouTube videos and stuff, and my mouth been hurting. I've been in different moods the whole time I've been doing this. So I got different sizes. Like, these are really, really, really tiny. If you look at these braids right here, they're really, really, really tiny. And then these are pretty big. This is big. The back is pretty big right there. I don't know. It's so inconsistent. Like, these sizes. I don't understand how people braid and all their braids be the exact same size. Oh, my arm's starting to hurt. I'm hungry. I said I'm hungry already. Okay. I'm about to split this hair in half somewhere. Wait, hold up. Something is attached to something. Oh, my fingers are hurting. Oh, I still have to retighten Phoebe's hair and then braid the weave in. It's the most. See, did I do that right? Or did I move it? I don't know. Oh, hey YouTube, it's your girl Alana. Face still a little swollen, but at least I'm finished with my hair finally. Okay, so on Father's Day, I had to go out with my face swollen and my hair wasn't finished, but I put it in a ponytail and it was really cute. So now they're finished, and this is the side that I started on. They're pretty medium size right here where I started. But then as I went over, they get smaller and smaller. They are tiny on this side. Not tiny, but you know, way too small compared to the other side. I can't really see what I did in the middle because, you know, I can't part it evenly or anything. I just did my best, but I do know that the back is really big. I watched some YouTube videos about how to blow dry and straighten synthetic hair, so I think I'm gonna try it on low first. Wait, that might be high. No, that's high. That's low. Let's go high, because low ain't doing it. I don't see this being straighter than the rest, but maybe it's my eyes. No, it still looks nappy.